In addition to being able to provide students with translated subtitles, the desktop version of Microsoft PowerPoint includes a translator feature to translate content on your slides. Here I am inside a presentation in the desktop version of PowerPoint. And to access that translator, I'm simply going to come up to the menu bar and click on the Review tab. Notice that I have the Microsoft Translate feature here. When I click on the Translate icon, a translator opens to the far right of the slide. Now, I can select text that I wish to translate into another language. Before I do that, I can set up the language detection. So right now, the from or language I want to translate from is set to auto detect. I can always click that drop down and specify the language, in this case, English. The box below is what I'm translating to. So I'm going to click on the drop down and select the language that I wish to translate this content to. In this case, Spanish. Now I can go ahead, click on the top box, and select the content on my slide. Notice that Microsoft Translator provides a translated version of the content that I've selected. In this case, it's been translated into Spanish. If I click the Insert button below, my content will be converted from English to the Spanish translation. And then again, I can just move and reformat my content. It's important to note that by inserting the translation, I'm actually changing my original document. So it's a good idea to make a copy of your original that you plan on translating content in, or you could even consider giving a copy of the presentation to the student or students who will be using the translator feature. And then they can replace content that they might need to replace using the translator feature.